NCERT video welcomes you. Today we are going to read Chapter 14, the Surajkund Fair. Let's start Chapter 14, the Surajkund Fair. Suni and Avi are going to see a fair with their grandparents. They are going to Surajkund in Faridabad district of Haryana. Let us join them and have fun. You can see a picture of fair is given here. You can see different jula, different shops, okay, a balloon seller, different clothes shops, and various things inside the fair. Okay, there is a huge gate with lighting and tiles in the front. Wow, such decorated shops. Avi says, let us discuss. What do you see in the picture? I have already told. Spot things in the picture that look the same from the left and right side. If you see the gate and the tiles in the front and or the mat or the light, okay, light pillar, you can see that if you divide the things in left and right, then the left side things are just same as right side things. Teachers note: discuss with children about any local mela they have visited. Encourage them to look at the picture and observe different patterns like tiling on the floor and the symmetry they see in object and shapes. Make malas. Sony and Avi reach a stall where a man and woman are making malas with beads. Sony says, I also want to make the malas. The woman says, why not? You can take beads from the basket and make malas. The man says, make malas with 8 beads, 4 of one color and 4 of another. Let us do 1. Color the beads in the string using 2 colors red and yellow to show the malas that you have made. For example, you can color 4 things in red and 4 things in 4 beads in yellow color. Okay, you have to use 4 beads of different color, one color and 4 beads of another color. You can make such arrangement like this: yellow color and yellow color, then red color and red color and red color. Similarly, you can make like this: red, yellow, red, like this. Yellow, yellow. Okay. Similarly, you can color the following malas. Teachers note: you may provide children with a string and 8 beads of 2 colors from a gin mala. They can make a record of their construction by coloring the malas given here. The two halves of my mala are exactly the same. My mala is symmetrical. You can see, if you divide the things in two halves, then left side things is equal to right side things. That means this mala is symmetrical, but not in the case of Avi. The two halves of my mala are not the same. My mala is not symmetrical. 2. On the previous page, tick the mala that are symmetrical. You can put correct sign for the mala that are symmetrical. Okay. No malas here are symmetrical. Okay. Okay. Here yellow and here red. So no malas here are symmetrical. Not here. Not here. Not here. If the things are like this, red, red, yellow, red, red, yellow, yellow, and these two are yellow, yellow, then this could be symmetrical. Third, how many such malas can be made? Discuss. A. Tick the malas that are symmetrical and cross that the one that are not symmetrical. For example, the things that are symmetrical, this, and this, and this and this, so, and this and this. If you see it carefully, it is symmetrical. This is not, okay, this is not, this is also not, but this is symmetrical. Okay, if you see it carefully, this is symmetrical. B. Now use 6 beads and of one color and 2 beads of another color to make a symmetrical mala. You can use red bead or any other color, but you have to use 2 beads of one color and 6 beads of another color. Okay, you may put like this to make it symmetrical. You may put like this to make it symmetrical. Okay, left side things overlaps or similar to right side things. Teachers note, encourage children to see the difference between symmetrical and non-symmetrical objects around them. Provide them opportunities to share their justification and reasons. Vannakam, Rangoli all around. Soni and Avi arrived at the stall of Tamil Nadu. Amma was making kolam in front of the hut. You follow the steps for kolam. For making kolam, you have to follow these steps. Then you can follow this step. Okay, your kolam will become like this. Let us think. 1. Observe the rangolis given below. Are all rangolis symmetrical? If you choose the line of symmetry like this, they are all symmetrical. If you choose line of this, they are all symmetrical. Okay, in this also. But if you choose this line of symmetry, it is symmetrical. It is also symmetrical, but it is not symmetrical. Okay, it is not symmetrical if your line of symmetry is this. I can see two equal halves in my rangoli by drawing a line. You can see it here. To trace these rangoli on paper, fold the tracing paper in such a way that one half of the rangoli lies exactly on the other half. Third, draw lines in the given rangolis. Draw lines in the given rangolis that divide them into two identical halves. Fourth, look at the other symmetrical things around you. Discuss. Teacher's note. Discuss about kolam and the tradition and the states it belongs to. You can use the dot grid given on page number 192. They may use it for making symmetrical rangolis. Let us do. Enjoy making rangolis. Pakulam, Pukalam. Okay, Pukalam is of Kerala. It is Rangoli style of Kerala. Similarly, Appan of Uttarakhand. This is Rangoli style of Uttarakhand. 1. Draw and complete the symmetrical rangolis given below like this. Okay. Okay, you can color it. Similarly, you can make symmetrical object to this. Okay, you can make symmetrical object to this and color it. Mm. To draw some more rangolis in your notebook that are symmetrical. Teacher's note: give additional exercise to complete the half of the given rangoli. Observe and discuss the ways children draw the other half of the rangoli. What do they notice while completing the other half? What strategies do they use? Ask children to collect rangolis patterns from different parts of the country and share them in the class. Make masks. Wow, there are so many beautiful masks. Okay, Sony says. Avi says, I want to make a mask too. Then the shopkeeper says, yes, I will tell you how to make a mask. Let us make the mask of a cat. First step, fold the paper along the middle like this. Second, one side on one side draw a cat like this. Third, cut it out using a pair of scissors like this. Fourth, now open and the fold and make the eyes, nose, etc. like this. Fifth, color it and tie a rubber band on its back like this. Your mask is ready. Your mask is ready. Wow, I can clearly see everyone wearing a mask. Sony's mask is symmetrical and Abhi's mask is not symmetrical. Oh, I can only see with one eye. I wonder what is wrong. Teacher's note: discuss with children why Abhi was able to see only with one eye. Children should understand that objects that are divided into two exact halves, such that one half superimposes onto other half, as other half are symmetrical, such that one half superimposes onto the other half are symmetrical. For example, the Sony's mask is symmetrical, whereas V mask is not symmetrical, so he can't see the things with his two eyes. He can see only one eyes because the gap in for the eye lead can give pass to only one eye. You should note that while cutting, your eye distance should be taken account while cutting the eye in the mask. Tit for tat. Sony gets her picture made by a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. Charge. I charge rupees 200 for it. Sony, how do you like it? This painter says. But this is only half, Sony says. The other half is exactly the same, so just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Painter says. Now can I have my money? Sony gives money to painter, but this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same, so just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Haha, like this. Let us think 1. What is the trick the painter is playing? Find things for painter to draw so that He can no longer play the trick. Draw three such things here. You can draw three such things, okay, so that the painter cannot draw like your finger, okay, your palm is quite different, okay, your palm is not symmetrical, you cannot make any line of symmetry. You can draw shapes like this. You may use some kind of pattern. You can draw some kind of pattern that are not symmetrical, okay. Okay, you can draw some patterns that are not symmetrical using dot grids. The mirror game. Sony and Avi started playing this game. Let us play with them. Avi, I am placing 4 counters on my side like this. Sony side. Avi side is now empty. For now, Avi side is empty. Now you place your counters in such a way that it is the mirror image of my side. Sony side, mirror image of Sony side is Avi side. Avi place the counter like this. Has Avi placed the counters at the right places? Check it by placing the mirror on the line drawn. Okay, you can place a mirror on this line to check whether the counters are just mirror image or just superimposes the Sony's image if we fold. Similarly, Avi's side, Sony's side, is it true? Is it counter image or symmetrical to this? Is this image symmetrical to this? The counter placed by me are the mirror image of the counters placed by you. Do you agree? Check. Sony says. Teacher's note. As an extension activity, children may use different two-colored objects such as unit cubes, counters, etc. One children play this game on the floor. In the game, children may also use more than 4 objects and friend, challenge their friends. Let us explore. Pick the odd one out and give reason. Okay, these are symmetrical. This is not symmetrical, so you may round it. This is also symmetrical. Okay, these three figures are symmetrical. 2. Fill 4 boxes with red color and 3 with blue color in such a way that one side is the mirror image of the other. Okay, you have to put 4 boxes in red color. Okay, like you can put in any way. I am doing like this, such that left side is mirror image of the right side, and 3 in the blue color, such that left side is mirror image of the right side. You may put like this. Okay, in how many ways can you fill it? Think and think. Think. Okay, there are various ways of doing this. You can do by any other way. Third, make mice side the same as the catty side. You may rearrange only 3 balls in the mice side. You may arrange this ball like this ball like this, and this ball like this. Then place this ball to here. You will get mice side as same as catty side. Fourth, which shape cut out would fit in the given shape without overlapping and without gaps? What type of shapes will fill the things without overlapping? Okay, you may draw things like this. You have to take triangles of same size, 6 triangles of same size to overlap this without cutting and without overlapping and without gaps. Teacher's note: in question number 1, each part can be the odd one out. Let the children observe and find the odd one out by giving a logical reason for their answer. Tiling the path. Since my foot got stuck in the gap between the tiles, good that both of you held my hand. Dajaji, hope you did not hurt yourself. Let us do 1. Use rangometry shapes to fill the shapes with no gap and overlap. You may extend the shape without leaving any gap there like this. Okay, there is little space you may do for this square and this rectangle. Teachers note, discuss with children the different footpath they see and encourage them to make paths with tiles with no gaps and overlaps like this or like this, making tiles creating paths. Sony and Avi have started making their own tiles by joining the different shapes like rectangle and square. Sony style and this is Avi style. This is hexagon. Okay, Avi has arranged tiles like this. Let us do 1. Use 2 or more rangometry shapes to create your tile. Now trace the tile to create different path. You may draw like this. Your start path, your start point, your end point. You have to make path from here to here using different rangometry shapes or different tiles. To try making this path like this, like this, like this, and this. Teachers note, children can create different uh, tessellation on a blank sheet and their work can be displayed in the class. Discuss with them the repeating units. Giant wheel. Read the conversation between Sony and Avi and mark the places they are talking about. Can you guess the stall I am looking at? It is near a kulfi cart. The one with the blue flag on it. This boy says, no, the second stall from there in front of yellow roofed stall. The second stall from there in front of yellow roofed stall. This could be the answer and or this could be the answer. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Where the puppets are kept in the basket. Okay, this is the correct answer. Let us play. Imagine yourself sitting with Sony and Avi. You think of a place or a stall and challenge your friend to find out which stall you have in your mind. Can you can help them guess by answering yes or no. Okay. Search for Dada and Dadi. Sonia and Avi's Dada and Dadi were missing. They hear their announcement. Dada and Dadi of Soni and Avi are waiting for them in the chopal. Where is the chopal? Soni says, Uncle, can you help us find the chopal? We can find the chopal from the map that is placed here. You can see a map is here. Parking is shown by this, ATM by this, restaurant, shop, giant wheel, pond, play area, and chopal. Chopal using this. There are pictures here with different names. On this map, the pictures of the hut shows the handicraft stall. Teachers note to make children aware about the direction, different games can be played with them where they can follow the direction clues to reach the place where the object has been kept. They can use words like take 2 steps to your right, 1 step forward, take 5 steps back, 3 steps to your left, etc. Similarly, if you see the picture carefully, Chopal is here and Suni and Ravi will start from here and go to this and this direction and will reach the Chopal. You may see 2 exit points here. Let us do 1. Help Sony and Avi read the map and find the following. A. Which place does the this sign shows? This sign shows the place of Chopal. B. Circle the picture on the map that shows the play area. Play area is shown by this, and it is actually present here near the pond. C. Which place does the P sign shows? P sign shows of parking. It is here. Similarly, D. How many exit routes are there in the fair? How many exit routes are there? There are 1 and 2 exit routes in the fair. 2. Follow the path that Avi and Sony are following. A. Walk on the blue line. B. Turn right on the green lane. C. You see the restaurant on your right hand. Don't sit there. D. Take the left toward the red lane. E. Take the fast lane. Turn toward the golden lane. Stalls will be seen on the way. F. Pass the stall to find the chopal and meet Dada Dadi. These are the instructions given to the Sony and Avi so that they may reach Dada Dadi. Third, an uncle asked Dadaji the way to ATM. Tell him the way to ATM from the Chopal. The way to ATM from Chopal is like this, okay? Straight to the Chopal, okay? Go, turn left and you will reach the ATM. ATM symbol is shown by this. Let us do one. There are 2 ways to go out of the Surajkund fair. One seems to be a maze and other goes straight there. Follow the maze with Sony and Avi to exit the fair. You may use this route, okay? Okay, you may adopt this route. To share the way you went through the maze, write the things you found on the way. You found a star, you found a pineapple, you found a snake. Okay, you found a diamond too. Here a dot grids are given. Here number cards are given. Here number cards are also given in letters. You may cut it out. Here fractions cards, whole, half, half, quarter, 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 quarter. Whole, half, half, quarter, 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 quarter. 10 gram squares. Here 10 gram is shown. Here squares are there. Here fraction card shown by numbers, that is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, or quarter, 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 half, half, or 1/2, 1/2. This is 1, or complete. Similarly, 1, half, half, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 1 complete, half, half, or 1/2, 1/2. 1/4 quarter, 1/4 quarter, 1/4 quarter. A square 10 gram. Net of a cube. Note, cut along the dotted lines and fold along the dark line. You will get a cube. Similarly, note net of a cuboid. Note, cut along the dotted line and fold along the dark line. You will get cuboid. Net of a cylinder. Note, cut along the dotted lines and fold along the dark lines. You will get cylinder. Similarly, net of a cone. Note, cut along the dotted lines and fold along the dark lines. You will get cone. Similarly, dance block are given here. Note, cut along the dotted lines. You can make more such blocks as you need for the activities. These are dance blocks. You may make more such dance blocks if necessary. If needed, you can make such dance blocks. Similarly, more dance blocks are given. Cut along the dotted line. You can make more such blocks as you need for the activities. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video. Thank you.